Wait. Go back. Oh, slow down. The other way. There. Vice grip. $3 in tax. Sold. Yeah, I know. Need this like a hole in my head. For about 2 years I've been looking for a sander. Now I have a Craftsman. I was actually looking for the Craftsman, and I found one up in Pennsylvania. It was about $150. Kind of want to find one just like the one I've been using and set up a second location. And then, remember last week? Well, on the very same day, I found this. What are the odds of 2 walker turners in one day? Only this one, after just buying the other one, I wasn't ready to spend. However, today is 50% off White Tag Day. I patiently waited. What do you think? It's off, it's just hanging there. I tapped on it with a mallet on this end and rotated it, and with some luck the bearing came out of the, what would you call this? Let's call it a roller or a pulley. Now this bearing, I don't know if you can see in there, it spins nicely. Here's our culprit. That one barely moves. And that's probably when people walked up to this saw, they didn't want to buy it because they could feel that there was a problem here and there was no belt, so probably the belt would burn off or something. Who am I kidding? It takes a extra special knock on the head to be someone that likes buying these old tools. I bet you there's a bunch of head knockers watching this too. But anyway, so I know very little, but I've been hearing that bearings are somewhat standard. So if I can't free it up, I will just replace this. Not with a new one. I will find a used one. Because although this spins quite a bit, it's not going to get much use. And I'll clean this shaft up, so next time I can pop it off even easier. This one is fixed because they turn together and the bearings are somewhere in there, but that seems to be working fine. This goes on real easy now, and I'm going to face the Allen head down so maybe some of the dust won't go in there.